Shlayer, one of the most notorious pieces of malware for Mac computers, is back. This time, the malware was found posing as an Adobe Flash Player update, which was actually accidentally approved by Apple's notary review. This meant that the macOS Gatekeeper would believe the app to be legitimate and safe and allow it to be installed and run on the victim computers. Mac malware has been increasing significantly over the past decade or so, and Shlayer is the most pervasive piece of Mac malware over about the last 18 months. Shlayer has even gone so far as to put up a website at homebrew.sh, which is designed to confuse users who are trying to access the legitimate homebrew website that can be found at brew.sh. This is the first known instance of a piece of malware being notarized by Apple. The company quickly took steps to reverse the trusted status as soon as they became aware of the error, but not before victims had downloaded and run the app on their computers. Shlayer is stopped before it can do any harm on your Mac with Acronis Cyber Protect's real-time protection, keeping you safe from attacks such as this.